Do you remove extra spaces between texts in Microsoft Word by one like this? If the document spans multiple pages, it could take hours. Say goodbye to this time-consuming approach. We will learn to do it in a couple of seconds. Let's see how. Press Ctrl+H to open the dialog box. Then type the circumflex sign and W in lowercase in the Find What bar. Ensure it's in lowercase. In the Replace with field, put a single space and then click Replace All. Now you can see the extra spaces have vanished. For any document formatting task, feel free to drop us a line. We have a team of experienced administrative virtual assistants working around the clock to assist you. After this video, we might not meet again. So, to be in touch, follow our MyTasker YouTube channel. We will create and bring more informative and time-saving videos for you.